Snapshot travel guide where every frame tells a tale. We don't just show you where to go, we show you why to go.
Looking for a comfortable and affordable stay in Cardiff? Nestled in a pedestrian-only area at the junction of the Friary and Queen Street, we find the Travelodge opposite the Queen's Arcade, with the reception conveniently located on the first floor. We are on the third floor, room 317. This is one of their new style rooms and looks comfortable. We have a double bed which has reading lights and USBs ensuring your gadgets are always powered up. On either side of the headboard there is also a small shelf, perfect for keeping your bedtime reads or morning coffee. To your right you'll find a full-size mirror, making sure you always step out looking your best. Across the room there's a television and a wall heater. A wardrobe hanging space is there for your storage needs, complete with spare pillows and a chair tucked below. The desk is kitted out with a fan, kettle and 2 cups. You'll find a selection of teas and coffees to start your day right, or wind down in the evenings, and food and drink menus are provided. Underneath the desk, you'll find 2 bins, one for recyclables. Now let's move on to the bathroom. The bathroom, situated conveniently as you enter, is well equipped for your needs. First off, you'll notice the toilet and sink with a foam hand wash and electric razor socket. Above the sink is a large mirror and opposite a towel rail. The shower is a decent size so you don't feel cramped. And they've thoughtfully provided hair and body wash, so that's one less thing to pack. And a bath mat is provided to prevent any slips. The Travelodge has a bar and restaurant right next to the reception. Here, you can enjoy evening meals, drinks and breakfast. We tried the buffet breakfast, offering a variety of cereals, yogurts, fresh fruits, a cooked breakfast and pastries. The quality of the breakfast was good value for your money at £9.75. We can't recommend the Travelodge at Glasgow Queen Street enough, and we'll happy stay again. We hope this review has given you a glimpse into what Queen St Central offers. We know we'll be back. Thanks for watching.